How big is the longest cave in the world with a forest and clouds? This long cave is 9 kilometers or 5.6 miles long. The river is so strong when you fall in, you'll drown if no one helps in a split second. It's so big that you can fit a 40-story skyscraper. When you go further down, there are clouds that exists because of the warm wind that flows into the cave that suddenly turns cold, which turns into mist and clouds. The forest has its own ecosystem, what slows down climate change and creates a habitat for even monkeys. Animals are blind in the cave, and the reason of that is because of the darkness.